Welcome to the world of semiconductor technology, where precision and control are critical. In this video, we'll explore the ESPRO chemical heater, a crucial component in the semiconductor industry where precise and contamination-free heating is essential. The wet bench is an automated or semi-automated station designed for precision chemical processing, such as cleaning, etching, and developing semiconductor wafers. Wafers are immersed in baths containing carefully controlled chemical solutions. These processes are used for cleaning, surface etching, and developing delicate patterns on the wafer. With ultra-pure PF Teflon-wetted surfaces, the ESPRO Inline heaters have a heating capacity up to 180 degrees Celsius. Their flexible configurations provide ultra-pure heating of harsh chemicals, with high reliability and low maintenance due to their efficient, even, and clean heating. When the heater is activated, electrical current flows through the heating wire, converting electrical energy into thermal energy. This heat is transferred directly to the liquid or gas flowing through the chamber, ensuring uniform heating throughout the process. What sets the ESPRO heater apart is its advanced heating wire design, which avoids the traditional spiral configuration. It eliminates air bubble traps typically found in spiral designs, prevents hotspots caused by trapped air bubbles, and minimizes mechanical stress on the PFA insulation by avoiding wire coiling. From cleaning and etching to final development, the wet bench plays a vital role in shaping the future of technology. The ESPRO chemical heater delivers unmatched precision, efficiency, and safety, making it the perfect solution for your wet bench needs. Contact SPS today to learn more.